Welcome in this video. In this video, you are gonna see the whiteboard presentation about how to get airdrop cryptocurrency. So if I show you the payment proof of airdrop, the recent thing, that you will see a lot of payment proof out there. So like if I show you this channel payment proof here, so pretty much everybody get this airdrop or omni chain. So you will be shocked. $1,000 airdrop. If I show you another proof, like a lot of payment they get, 1,000, nearly $2,000, $2,000. So if I show you over and over again, here is 716, 416. If I show you another, if I show you another, if I show you another, here is 1,161. More payment proof you will see out there, nearly $3,000 he got. So if I show you, here is the main thing. You are seeing that 3,284 from on project. So the airdrop is so crucial to join. So you will get my telegram channel comment box. Check out the comment box. So the airdrop is the thing. So like crypto, so let's say this is crypto platform. Here it's crypto, so it is crypto. I'm showing you crypto. Okay, cryptocurrency, and here is the thing that uh, that some people are there is like biggest three cryptocurrency. One is Bitcoin, people call BTC, and Ethereum, Ether, and BNB. So this is one of the biggest cryptocurrency on the crypto space. So this is network as well. Bitcoin is BTC network, and Ethereum is Ethereum network, BNB and is BHC network. So if anybody want to create cryptocurrency, they will totally rely on Bitcoin or Ethereum or BNB, or another thing people call Matic or out there, has a lot of like APIs, a lot of uh, good crypto platform has. So like if you want to create cryptocurrency, you need to take their network for instant your crypto. Okay, for doing transaction, smart contract with sell buy sell, and the all of thing will depend on which network you will choose. BNB, if you choose BNB, it will be uh, easy for you. So like you choose BNB for your cryptocurrency network. Okay, so here is the thing that first you should list your token on any exchanger. Before you list it, you should give your token to people. So how do you give people? You can give through doing airdrop or testnet. If you have any product, you can check by your early user, and end of the day you will give them something. Okay, so this is the thing. So like now maybe you are going to list your token. So and as well as you have your one product like stacking, swapping system, and you want to give people testnet for check your website, check your blockchain. Okay, and you give them some kind of task like do swap on my website, do berries on my website, and you give them some faucet non-volatile token, and they check your website. They, like we are doing now Julie airdrop. Maybe you see my recent video where I do like berries swap, 10 transaction days, so this type of thing, through non-Rothschild token. Okay, that is not Rothschild token, non-Rothschild token, and therefore you get something from there. Okay, so let's say it take maybe 1 years, 2 years, even less than 1 years. So while they check your activity into the uh, event, they will give you eligible option for claim your token. Okay, so like they put you claim option, that claim your token, you are eligible, so claim your token, and you claim that token, you send your token on to MetaMask, and you send that on exchanger, and you sell in your fiat money or whatever you do, and you get your money. So it's testnet thing. If I show you airdrop, that what is airdrop is, airdrop is just doing, okay, follow Twitter, so easy task, follow X, okay, follow Discord, okay, follow Discord, okay, or as well as do retweet, do retweet, quote tweet, okay, quote tweet. So like this type of task, and they want to do through you. And end of the day, airdrop is the thing that is not big enough, but if you do this thing is multiple account, like if you get through one account, let's say one account give you let's say $10. If you do that 10 account, $10, it would be $100. Okay, so it's your profit. Okay, the airdrop is work like this way, but airdrop is airdrop has some advantage, that if you do airdrop is, I'd say, airdrop is immediate, but reward is less, but reward less. If I show you testnet is a thing that take 1 year, 2 year, no, not 2 year, it's wrong, not 2 year, it's 1 year or less, okay, or less. So you need to check your website, check their website, and within 1 year, and end of the day you get something from here. Okay, and this is the thing, so nothing complicated, and you can do that. I'm showing you my recent video where I shared my recent airdrop. If you see here, uh, it's loading pretty much, wait for a minute here. This is my Telegram channel here. Cameron join for doing airdrop. So that's pretty much straightforward. Coming to here, I shared my best airdrop here that I do. So here people do comment that thank you for sharing the video, brother. Have you tried the bridging function? Yeah, I already tried. I get point. So end of the day, this thing will put you, you know, this airdrop will put Juru airdrop will put give you money. So keep earning always. See you later in the next video. Until that, happy hunting.